Hello, and welcome to today's video on neural networks and deep learning. Neural networks are the foundation of deep learning and have revolutionized the field of artificial intelligence. But if you are still realizing, what is even artificial intelligence? Click the link in the card above and first watch our video on the topic. What is AI? In this video, we will cover the basics of neural networks and explore how they can be used to build deep learning models. First, let's dive into the basics of neural networks. Neural networks are a type of machine learning algorithm that are designed to recognize patterns in data. They are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, and are made up of layers of interconnected nodes or neurons. Each neuron receives input from other neurons and produces an output based on an activation function. The output of one layer becomes the input of the next, creating a chain of interconnected layers. This process of forward propagation is used to make predictions based on input data. Now that we understand the basics of neural networks, let's talk about deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks to process and analyze large amounts of complex data. Deep learning models are built by adding additional layers to a neural network, allowing it to learn more complex patterns and relationships. This makes deep learning models well suited for tasks like image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and decision making. Now that we have covered the basics of neural networks and deep learning, let's explore some of the applications of these technologies. Some of the most exciting applications include autonomous vehicles, predictive analytics, personalized medicine, and smart assistants. But the possibilities are actually endless. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to test your knowledge with a quick exercise. So, we encourage you to answer the following question in the video comments. What is the most significant difference between neural networks and deep learning? A. Neural networks are a subset of deep learning. B. Deep learning is a subset of neural networks. C. They are two terms that can be used interchangeably. If you did not get it right, go back to the beginning of the video and watch the content again, so that the next time you won't miss. Neural networks and deep learning are powerful tools for creating AI systems that can learn and adapt to complex data. By mimicking the structure and function of the human brain, these techniques have enabled significant advances in areas such as computer vision, natural language processing, and robotics. Ultimately, to answer the central question of how AI imitates the human brain, we can say that it does so by using algorithms and mathematical functions to simulate the activity of neurons and synapses. While there are still many challenges and limitations to overcome, the potential benefits of these approaches to AI are immense. Overall, the development of neural networks and deep learning represents an exciting frontier in the field of artificial intelligence. We hope that you have gained a better understanding of these technologies and their potential applications. Thanks for watching. See more of our channel content. Like, share and subscribe.